In this lesson, we are going to cover erasing the memory card and performing a memory reset for an S7-300 CPU. It is a good idea to erase the memory card and perform a memory reset before downloading a new program into a controller. I do have my SetPG PC interface set to my Intel network adapter for an Ethernet connection to the CPU. Now I will display accessible nodes, so I will select the PLC menu and select Display Accessible Nodes. I will expand out the accessible nodes, select my CPU, and select the blocks folder. Now I can see my user blocks in the PLC, the OBs, FBs, FCs. I can also see the SFCs and SFBs, which are system function blocks and system functions, and the system data folder, which is the hardware configuration stored in the CPU. I will open up the system data folder, and you can see the SDBs, the system data blocks. The SDBs make up the hardware configuration in the controller. I will select Close. Now I want to delete the contents of the memory card. So I will select the Edit menu, pick Select All, and this will select all of the blocks on the memory card. I will select the Edit menu and pick Delete. I will answer Yes to proceed. This dialog box is just telling me that we cannot delete the SFCs and SFBs because those are system functions and system function blocks which are built into the firmware of the controller and can't be deleted. So I will select Yes to proceed. Now this deleted my user blocks as well as cleared out the system data except for my IP address in the controller. So if I open up my system data folder, now I just have one SDB versus multiple SDBs. So I will select Close. Next I will perform the memory reset. So I'll right click on my blocks folder, select the PLC menu, and select Clear Reset. This dialog box is telling you what is going to be cleared. So all user data, including the hardware configuration, are going to be deleted, and all existing connections to the modules are going to be cleared. So yes, I do want to proceed. So I'll say yes. So we're basically resetting our PLC back to default values. Now that the memory reset has been completed, I can download my hardware configuration back into the controller. I'll close my accessible nodes. And if I select my blocks folder, if I just want to download my hardware configuration, I can select the system data folder, select download. It's asking if I want to clear the system data, so I will say yes. I will answer yes to put my CPU back in run mode. The memory reset can also be carried out by using the mode selector switch on the front of the CPU. You can find information on how to perform a memory reset via the mode selector switch in the documentation. In this lesson, we covered erasing the memory card and performing a memory reset for an S7-300 CPU.